Good morning or good day. My name is Charles Spirit, and I want to show you how you can make your withdrawals from your Crowd1 into your personal bank account using Busha. By now, you must have installed Busha. You must have updated your account information, your name, your phone number, your email address, and you must have verified your account. You also must have added the details of your bank so that the money can be sent to your bank. So the next thing you need to do is how now do you transfer this Bitcoin from your Crowd1 into Busha? And you can transfer from any crypto account whatsoever. So the first thing you need to do is you start up your Busha. Okay, this is the home. This is the balance I have in my Busha: 51 naira, 53 kobo. So the next thing will be to create a wallet. You need to have a wallet address because that is what will be used to retrieve or get your money. So you click on wallet, you click on Bitcoin, and you click on receive. I already have a wallet here, which is 39JKTB, blah 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 blah. It's kind of long. Okay, but when you do that on your own right now, you won't see anything, but you will see the option to generate a new address. This new address is almost like your bank account number according to cryptocurrency. So you click on generate new address. You see the new address is 36U7X blah blah blah. So when you click here, you copy the address. Now this address is copied. When you go back, notice something. When I click on receive, you see the new this is the address. So with this new address, once you click on new address, it will keep generating new addresses. No matter what, they are all valid. Whether you use the old one, the new one, they're still valid. It doesn't expire. So just copy your address and you go to where you can save it so you can retrieve it easily. I normally save in my notes. So okay, this particular address is for Crowd1 only. I'll save my address. Now, this address is actually what you now use in your Crowd1 back office to make your withdrawal. So when you go to Crowd1, you log in into Crowd1, you go to back office, come here, you click on account, you click withdraw Bitcoin, you type in the amount you want to withdraw. How many BP do you want to withdraw? 9. Then where is written Bitcoin address, that is where you will now paste that address you copy from your Busha. That is it. And you click on request withdrawal. Once you click on request withdrawal, Crowd1 will now place your withdrawal request on queue. There is always a long queue. That is something you need to know, and you have to be patient. If there is no long queue, it will happen almost immediately. But when there are so many people in line waiting for their request to be done, that means you also have to wait. Okay? So once you click on request withdrawal, just relax. It took my own 2 weeks or maybe close to 2 weeks before it was sent to my Busha. But the moment it enters Busha, it only takes just 2 minutes, not up to 2 minutes, for you to withdraw to your bank account. So that is it for withdrawal. Thank you.